Seems to be all working with the AC, so doesn't feel like it's getting hot. Don't touch those because you will get shocked. I don't smell anything. Everything looks good. Nothing's hot. All right. Now, if your RV or boat is flat, then you can probably just get away with the gasket that's provided. But there's no way, because of this waviness, that I can do that. So. Not the best butyl tape job in the world, but it'll do. Push it back in. See, I've got a gap. So I'll caulk that. All right, I ended up putting it on sideways because of this lip here. I forgot that's what I did on the other one too. I don't think there's any difference, I hope, in rain getting in there. There may be, but I'm gonna risk it for now. All right, now I got it fully installed. This is the first time to connect it. Let's see how easy it is to connect and disconnect. Squeeze these two, push, it's on. Yeah, that's a good connection. Let's see how easy it is to take it off. Squeeze these two guys. Comes right off. I saw a lot of reviews saying how hard it was. It's really easy. It's actually easier than the regular ShorePower that you turn and lock. That's great. Easy peasy. All right. Well, thanks for watching.